we go.
Should I use
We
this
are
here?
live. Oh,
Use this here?
whatever
Oh,
you
my
want.
bad.
No, you're good. That's the whole point. Look, so I gotta be the camera guy and stick it together.
Alright, who makes a team? Or who's
Oh,
making...
we're in the team right now.
Oh,
What's up, man? Just came to school. Oh, you guys already fighting?
Oh,
What the heck? What's
what
going
the
on
heck?
over here? People already trying to fight.
punch me. Punch
Oh,
me.
who's this?
I'm gonna beat the
Oh,
brakes
yes,
off
it's
you,
the
dumbass.
who? Hey, we're all in here. What's good? What's good, huh? Yeah, that's right.
Peter
This
Griffin.
pop over here. You never ever walked by us with school. What? Get that. You left we jumping you. Get that. We jumping you.
Oh,
Dang, it's just
damn.
I mean, I'm trying to get to my second period and already you guys trying to mess around with it. Yeah, we in the house.
Man, mine's better than you.
Hey, those braids. Those are some long
Do
braids.
this shit.
You guys trying to eat? Let's head over to the cafeteria.
Oh, how you get that?
The SOS shirt.
Oh, what?
They have that on?
Yeah.
I was
Oh,
supposed to
that's
design
hard.
clothes. This is Peter Griffin over here.
I'm gonna go against him. Oh,
Oh,
come on, Matt, you got this.
This guy.
Matt, Peter Griffin.
My
Dang,
bad.
he's
And
got suplex.
you will get tossed off.
What?
damn.
Dang.
Oh, God.
No, that's not worth it.
Oh, this guy pulled me. Oh, heck no.
Okay, I'm gonna die.
Let's get out of here. Let's go to the cafeteria. So we don't have to lose the team.
Alright, I just reset.
Let's
No, something, that's good.
go to the cafeteria.
Alright, me and Uncle are on our way.
Oh, what's this? Over here. Trying to get some smoke my homie, huh? Oh, what's good?
What the heck,
You
man?
thought you was safe?
Oh, dang, I just got knocked down. Dang, he knocked me. All my health out.
This is just beating up people that are
Oh, yeah.
saying.
Yeah, let's link up everybody so we can.
Oh, hell no.
Uncle just got
We gotta link up.
Oh,
Let's get him, Chance.
You touched me one time, damn.
Dang, where's this guy? Smash.
my turn.
I
Oh,
miss for this little pink thing.
Oh, my wife is on
Where's the rest of the guys? Oh, they're over there. Oh, him.
Go and get him, Uncle.
Yeah.
Peter Griffin over here. Two guys over here. So we gotta stick together so we're strong in numbers.
Alright, we're in the
Cause
cafeteria.
I just got knocked
Coming
out.
from Mickey.
We're all in the cafeteria.
come to the cafeteria right
So I'm
now.
headed over there.
We're all got each other's
Every time I head over there, Chance over here getting busted. Chance, just we gotta.
Yeah,
Hey, there it is.
oh,
Okay.
this one right
Hey,
here.
go behind you.
This one tried to touch me in the face.
Oh,
I know. Pick you up. Or...
oh, where you going?
Oh, you punk. Hey, oh.
Oh, yep.
I did that.
This guy, this pink out here,
Frick.
running away. Come. Oh, this guy fought good.
What's your name?
Dang, this guy, he want the smoke. Oh, shoot.
He was all the smoke in the face.
Damn.
Thank you for thinking.
What?
Wait, does that make me fight this guy?
Don't ever try to pop on me again, okay? Let's just only go up. Oh, what? Let's go. See? See if we can get him to the nest. Oh, heck no. It's running away. Sorry, come get this guy over here.
Damn. Peter Griffin can kill me again.
Stop running away.
Yeah.
He's running away. That's what you get.
Oh my god.
Okay.
What's up, kid?
What the heck?
What's up, kid? This dumb pink guy over here.
Guys, I just got
Dang,
jumped by
this
someone
guy
named
freaking-
Gold.
Grab that guy.
I don't know, Goldilocks and stuff, and then Peter Griffin.
That's right, cuz.
Jake,
Just
you're gonna
stomp him.
Reset, reset.
Mm.
Reset.
That's what you get, boy.
Oh, heck no.
Oh.
Peter Griffin.
Oh, Peter Griffin.
Grab this guy.
The knife. Oh, doodle.
Running away.
Oh, shoot. I missed.
Oh, yeah, he's just pop over here. He's running away. This guy. Oh, he's gonna have to get jumped.
I'm going on the other side.
Don't run.
Jump him.
Don't run.
They say anything in the chat.
No, not yet.
Look at him. Running like a little pig.
Are you running, bro? Oh, he's.
Don't worry, I got the other side.
Oh, he's trying to go over there to the PvP.
I got this side.
Oh, what you pushing me for, boy?
I got this side. Stupid little.
He's-
Oh, heck. no.
Damn.
Dang, Scott is in my way.
Bro, this guy is-
Come on, Chin.
Man, they spawned me all in towards the cafeteria. And then he's gonna check off. Spawn.
Dang, I just got knocked out.
Dang, we just got jumped out of. Yeah, come on, Uncle Gil. What the heck? Where's these people?
You know,
When
boy.
is that? This Sunday? We started Thursday. We had the first game. And then today,
What? How did this guy
today
get
Eagles
cheated?
on practice.
This guy, like, cheating. Got one hit and he's dead.
Bro, this Peter Griffin guy does not leave me alone.
Dang, you guys
You
all
know,
in the gym.
Oh,
Beat me up.
Chapter got hit to the gym.
Bye,
He's getting beat
bro.
up. Oh, what?
I'm
I
dead.
got with my homies over here.
This one right here.
Who?
Come on, Uncle, can get him. That's right. I'm back. Now I get my.
Yeah.
Shoot, bro.
Yeah, we gotta stick together in order to stay strong up.
Bro.
Oh, you just got jumped.
So how come my guy's not slamming?
When you're close to your teammate or like behind him, you can't break up.
Yeah, make sure we all stick together. Oh, yep, yep.
Here, I'll get Uncle.
Because these guys just
I'll
fall
get-
forward and
I'll
run.
get back. Ooh.
Look. Yeah, I just got suplexed by Peter freaking Griffin.
Oh, damn.
Dang.
I just died.
Peter Griffin's bad. Oh,
So Griffin's is taking all the heck.
It's because he gets
You
us
know,
when we're
Uncle
on
Nick, the
low.
guy came out the door and just.
He gets us
Oh,
when we're
my
on
God,
low,
gliding.
fighting one person, and he gets us like 2
Where's
on
everybody
2.
at? Oh, we gotta hit. They're over there. Right here. Link up. Chance, come on. We gotta link up. So it's easy for us to posse everybody when we're all together.
We need the flags. We need the flags. That's where we get our ultimate power from.
Bro.
That's an
Bro.
Dang, how did I miss that grab? What the heck? Bro,
I
this
got him. Oh, heck no, I just got sitting in the wall.
the heck? There's no way I'm getting
Wow.
dropped like fast.
Oh, bro, I just missed the grab again.
What the heck is happening? Oh, you wanted to come? Yeah, come. Oh,
Oh. Back up, boy. Damn.
How am I missing all my punches? Man,
you just gotta get used to the game. Peter Griffin's back.
I like this Peter Griffin guy.
Oh,
See,
one
he
person.
just punched me one time and my life is gone.
Dude, nobody likes Peter Griffin. No one likes him. You're about to die too. Ow.
There's no way. No way. Bruh.
Maybe we need to find it
What?
to find them.
How's Peter Griffin?
Oh, did you play on the phone already?
Huh?
Yeah.
What? I just got knocked out one try. I didn't get a chance to breathe and punch someone. They just one hit me.
Boy. How did I miss that?
Yeah.
Oh, hold up.
Really badly, actually.
What is that?
In spot? No, wait. On the bathroom?
I don't know.
We're all about the bathroom right now.
Damn, I'm getting jumped.
I needed that so really bad.
I don't understand how you can pick me up while I'm on the ground. I can't even do that.
Oh,
You're wrong, idiot.
stupid. Reset. I see you.
Oh.
Yes, bro.
Yeah,
Come on. Come on. I'll board this guy. Oh, you're backing up. Yeah, so he's backing up. Yep, run
Are you
away.
running? What are you
Check
running?
him on the scope. You gotta go
Nice.
find the
Oh, yeah, I got to pop over this guy. All right, just run away. They hit and run.
Just when I get here.
yeah.
Chance, you gotta stop fighting people and come to the group.
Oh my thing.
That's your fault, Chance. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Bing.
I told him to follow me to the
Get up,
group.
boy. Get up, boy. What happens when you run? Oh. Dragon Ball Z. Oh.
Get some kicks in your Dragon Ball Z.
He's running. He's gonna run. He's gonna run.
Bing, bing. Who else?
Peter
Get some
Griffin's over
guiding
here.
you.
This guy right here.
Hey, hey, Matt. Come on.
Where I get him?
Oh, wait. Ooh, damn, this guy in the pink.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah.
Oh, that guy's name is
Let's go double team on this guy.
Oh, heck
Oh, Peter Griffin's trying to kill me.
no.
Oh, this big guy.
Hey, Matt.
Here.
Oh.
Why would you be to this?
They're just like boots.
I got jumped by Peter
Come here.
Griffin.
Come here.
You
Bing.
There, he always grab me this fat soap. Wait, come on.
I swear, it's always
this
like, it's always like
I'm
some
just getting
movie or
tossed
like
left
cartoon
and right.
characters that will beat everyone.
Bing.
I got you there. Revenge. Revenge.
Yeah, let me slam you real quick. He's standing around. Standing around.
You're trying.
Get dropped.
You're gonna try to come for me.
Right, let's go.
I got you, man. Or I don't got you, actually. Never
What?
mind, I don't got you.
Dang. Oh. All three of us over here laying down. Oh.
Watch out, Matthew, if someone's behind you.
Bing. Bing. Yeah, that's right. You better run. Give it here, boy. Ow. Oh, there's no way. Oh, that guy just ruined it.
Dang, I always get caught up. What the heck?
So,
That is good. Push.
You boy?
Knocking you down.
Me?
And you know why? Because you got the critical
Damn.
damage.
It's what Carlos here Griffin has too. Chance, why are you?
Easy.
Okay.
What's wrong right here?
Think who's doing what?
Nobody take it. This is my phone that I take for work.
You don't seem to pay attention.
oh, go. Let's go.
Dang.
He could
This
run.
guy.
Oh, he's right here.
Ding, ding, ding. You want a piece Dragon Ball Z? Yeah. You can
Trash.
piece. This guy, he pop
Pick
forward.
it
He
up.
always pop forward and run.
Why are you sitting like that?
What else am I going to do with my legs to hold the
Sit
laptop
on the
up?
other side up there.
Oh
Dang,
my
this Peter
goodness.
Griffin guy.
Who's Peter Griffin?
He's over
Oh
here.
my gosh.
He comes right in here. He's over here with Linnea.
Oh, he just punched me.
Ew, he's skinny. With a
Ooh,
big face.
yeah. Smack you.
Hey,
You keep punching me in the face because you're ugly.
The hell?
I'm sure this is so wrong.
Dang, this Dragon Ball Z always gets dropped.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, we're low house, so gotta be careful.
Oh.
My
Oh.
is over there.
Let me get up. Let me get up. Oh.
AFKs. And all the time. Pretty scary.
Who's what are they saying?
When it's behind you, the Dragon Ball Z guy.
That's what they said. Jumping all the time, straight scary.
Dang, this guy always grabbing me.
My tongue.
He's right there, he spawned right there.
Oh my shit, boy. It's this thing that always keeps kicking me. Oh.
You need to sit your music.
So what?
Ah!
The Griffin's back.
He's bullying me.
Bam. Right there. Ripping on the floor.
My boy.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, that guy had boxing gloves. That guy bought boxing gloves.
Alright, good time to buy some.
Let me see the money level on everyone.
I just better not lose.
No way.
Come on.
Where you guys at?
I'm in a room hiding to
A lot of
see.
weapons.
I have $360.
You got one punch.
What the heck? Yo, who let this guy in? What the frick? Oh, sucker just pick your head. Just stand with you.
Oh.
That's what you get.
Oh. I'm sorry, what the heck? That guy really ran up, hit me in the head, and then started beating up people.
Boy.
They have voice
Boy.
We're seeing each other. What is happening?
This guy with the blue right here.
Yeah.
Alright. Who else?
Back to back, everyone.
Right there, he's coming back. Right there. Slam you ugly crap. Boy.
I got that too. Yeah. Let's go. Chance, They're about to die one shot.
Just let them come back. Look, they're coming back for more.
Oh,
These guys stick together.
Check, you're literally. Oh my god.
Damn.
You just walked.
Left you quick, my boy.
Stay close, stay close. Stay close, stay close. Stay close, stay close. Come on.
oh, I missed that ball. Oh, he's back.
Oh, you got brass knuckles. You got brass knuckles.
Peter Griffin.
Oh.
Oh, hell no.
If you just killed a can.
What did I do? Oh my.
You can't catch me out of every place you can.
Oh yeah, run. Dang, dang.
This guy's really kissed me. Oh, this guy got me. Punk.
Oh.
Oh, man. I was waiting for you
I
for
just
you.
got done. That's crazy. I got
Matt,
done.
we're getting his ass whooped.
I'm trying to save
These
chance
guys
over here.
They're so haters. Come on.
I think they voice chat because no one's saying
Oh, hell no.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
anything.
Mm.
It should be
Damn.
voice chat.
That fool's OP.
Damn.
We over here.
Oh damn, people!
Rick Rogers. Gotta stick together. Ooh, what's good, huh? Let's go, pretty Griffin 101 right here.
Oh,
They're all teaming against us now.
Bro, I was trying to grab him and I got floated up in the air. Oh yeah, this game bull.
Bro, I'm being killed by this stupid.
we running, come.
It's bad for the stupid person.
I got full health now. See Matt get dropped.
This guy with the braids. He's running away.
Oh,
Oh, hell no, Peter Griffin.
Nothing.
How is this guy still standing? What the heck? How he punched his way through the whole crowd? We run the cafeteria.
Alright, yo, go Nick.
Ew, what is that car?
This big ass.
Watch the back, watch the back. I gotta watch the back.
Dang.
Oh, and you.
Oh, he's a runner. Oop.
Walking away.
Damn.
Oh, shit. Watch your back, watch your back. Oh, you fucked me.
You got you with the second most health. Watch, he's gonna turn around and give us. Look, turn around.
Oh, my.
Oh, these guys came back. Damn. Damn.
Oh, you bastard. Oh, he hit me.
Oh, they just whooped all of us. They whooped the whole squad.
Damn, we just.
Oh, he kicked me 50 yards. I'm about to lag out.
That was Peter Griffin.
Bro, there's no way, bro. Oh my gosh. Getting hit left and right.
These guys are soft fighting each other now.
woman named X in here.
Bruh. Oh my.
This one right here is so annoying.
That was a nice one back.
Oh,
Oh,
Oh, man, this guy. Wait, I just want to pop
Oh,
over
what's
this
up?
guy. Let me see if I can. Dang, miss.
running
oh,
boy.
he's the door. He's a door camper.
I can't see nobody through the wall there.
Oh, yeah, oh, never mind. Damn, chance
in the
knocked you
hell?
out.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, dang. Oh,
This one right there that get him.
yo, what's up? We both mistake. Oh, I ran right into his
Boy,
kid.
oh, no. Shut up, boy. Shut up on me. You too.
That guy right there.
Oh,
Annoying.
I'm gonna hide over here and catch him.
Dang. Hey. Okay. So,
Slime. Boom. Hit him, hit him, hit him.
You're gonna want to touch in the pit.
oh, this fake.
Get him down to the floor.
I'm not annoying gravity.
I'm trying to. Freaking little thing. Dang. Look at
Damn, Uncle Mike.
that drop here.
Oh,
You ain't gonna run away. Come back. Yeah, go back. Come on, go. Hit us in the head. I got this.
oh, damn.
One.
No.
Dang, ran.
You can't store this way. I'm floating.
oh yeah, everybody over here, all right? Rumbling.
Ooh, let's go.
Oh,
right.
boy.
That's good, dude.
On our back.
Right.
There's someone coming over here to us. Come on, go get him from behind. Break the window.
I'll pull this guy.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Boxing gloves.
Oh,
On the ground. Get on the
Watch your
ground.
back, watch your back.
Stop resisting.
Yeah, all gonna need me. That's slow.
Oh, dang. Breathe up. In that night. Oh, what? How you stand up for? What the heck?
I got it. You're
Did it
glitching.
glitch?
Yeah, you're glitching right now. I killed him already.
That everybody. Oh, shoot. Let me log out and come back in.
What the heck? What the heck? I'm being jumped.
Glitching. Alright, let's.
I just got jumped by some
oh.
Hey, Matt, I made back to the claim.
I'm getting jumper now. Ooh.
Oh, we did that.
Yeah.
You just grab
Right there.
real
I'm
quick
right
here.
Those guys right there, they all jumping.
That's the people that jumped me
Where?
in the hallway over here.
Bro, you know you can't throw hands with me, homie.
What the heck? There's 4 people, I think.
Oh,
3.
I don't even know where you guys at.
There's like 3 people over here now.
Fighting Peter Griffin and his friend.
I'm right next to you, Matt.
Oh, knocked the both of them. No, I need the help.
Sorry. Oh, hey, Dave! Peter Griffin's over here, Matt. You see me?
Now, why you splitting my stuff? You the people
Nobody
together.
knows where
We're dead.
we're dead.
Oh,
Dang it.
Gosh, right. This guy.
Oh, they're all over here. Damn.
I'm just beating up whoever I can.
I need to be added
Oh, how the hell
to
is
my own players.
I
Get
just got like
behind me.
7 kills right now. I'm not 7, like 3 kills. I missed. Yes. We had Griffin back.
Oh, this frog guy is cheating.
Who's cheating?
Yeah, I seen one of those guys is cheating because
Oh,
Ow.
Oh, come over here, come on.
How are they cheating?
that guy one punch on my face, one punch on my guy, then I like knocked out.
What if it's the extra knockout left? Like,
One-on-one with Peter Griffin. Let's go.
oh.
I avenge you. What was it? Oh.
Dang, how does this guy just...
Not through the wall. Not through the wall.
I'm just getting beat the hell up.
Oh,
I get this. Oh, you can't get the kill. What is happening?
Oh.
What's happening there? I'm so confused.
Yeah.
I just died right here. Oh my god, last chance. Okay.
Oh.
Well,
Oh. No. Oh, he got me.
bro, I'm telling you, punches was freaking going through my punches.
No, you're not gonna door
I don't
You
know
ran
how
right
the hell
through
they're
me.
getting me like that.
And I'm gonna make them.
Oh, I'm trying to fight him and I'm getting beat up. Yeah, I got beat up.
Yeah, me too. Like a GAP guy. What's in here? Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on. Drop, drop.
Damn.
In your face.
watch your back, watch
Yeah.
your back.
Get away. Ooh. It's fatal for it.
How the hell you push me out there, buddy?
Oh, Griffin is back for this guy.
This
So tired
guy.
of him. Him and the
This
guy
guy.
that
Griffin, his teammate.
What text did you? Should I get off the thing? What it was?
Yeah.
Oh my.
The top Twitter is the one for a period. Alright. Wait, hold on. Mom just said something else.
Oh.
Reason. Hold on. The charger.
GLP doesn't check.
Mom found the charger upstairs, but then she's saying that one was for upstairs.
I just talked to this guy in the vending
Little
machine.
cheaters.
Mom, I'm done. I have a question.
Give her a charger. She just needs a charger.
She already took the one.
Oh,
There was two over here, and she took one. That was supposed to be up there, and she left the
I'll both you guys, boy.
ding.
Yeah, it's supposed to go up there.
Oh, you're not killing me, yeah. Take out away. That girl, bro. This guy's trying to chase me. I'm trying to.
Oh, he caught me. I was trying to go hit the other guy.
What's that? Oh. Gotta link up. Keep losing over here by myself.
Damn.
I keep getting jumped.
Hey, Jake, you guys, man. My phone will
Or at
get off
least
the
it's in the
game.
bathroom. Alright, Matt. Alright, let's go.
Oh, boy. Damn. Damn.
Where the hell you catch me, bro?
Oh, my.
Nice. Man. I need to upgrade my.
Spider bite. A little bit.
I need to upgrade my thing.
Oh, my.
What things are you gonna upgrade?
That guy is always kicking me.
I got this. I need this one right here.
Running. What? I wasn't even near him. Oh, my. Yeah, Chance, you just stand there and let me get beat up. There's something similar. The one that was running away. Oh,
My team getting salsa, man.
yeah, because we keep getting jumped. Every time I keep on, there's already two people on me. And they're spawning right in front of Peter Griffin. Oh, two tapped me and I died. Me.
All right, talk to him.
We gotta flank them. It's the only way.
Yeah, he's gonna keep running.
Oh, you guys.
Scary ass boy. Bing, 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 bing.
I don't think I can kill you, right?
These guys over
SpongeBob.
Alright, sure, you better run, boy. Oh, that's right, you better run too, boy. I never play with switch. Look yeah, boy. Come here, why you running?
That guy looks like
Trying to go for you, Uncle Nick.
Oh, yeah. I mean,
Oh,
that guy with the purple
I'm telling you, he ran past you two. And you always punching. You make no damn sense.
oh my gosh. What's up, bud? Oosh. What?
Hey. Oh,
About to kill me, about to kill me, about to kill me. Mm.
no.
Yeah. Hey, this one right here. Hey, check. Be on this
I
phone.
didn't.
They gonna say, give me that.
Oh, wait.
Oh, back
Bing.
here.
Oh.
Still teach you.
It's all the block to Samoan.
Bro, there's no way. What? And I can't grab it? Dang.
You gotta give me.
Got slammed.
Oh, yeah.
Dang. Everybody over there. Oh, snap.
Damn.
Who? Dang. Oh,
Damn.
the O is over here.
Every time I get him, my damn hands go down.
Damn. Should have got a got you though.
Stupid idiot. Oh, shit.
Bing.
Oh, dang.
My damn.
I don't even know where everybody is. Oh, there you go, sir. Make it through this.
Boy, good job, boy. Look at this girl. Good job too.
So look how person too.
Yeah, you got me.
Boy. Bing. Oh, you came back.
I don't even know what bathroom we're in.
Let's go jump over to Samoan.
I don't even know where you guys are.
Regroup.
Regroup. Yeah, for real.
Go
I'll
that way,
sit
too.
over here.
Bro, Peter
Not
Griffin
down there.
cheated, bro.
Peter Griffin be cheating, man.
I don't know how the hell he does so much damage.
For real, same here.
Big girl.
Two.
Some of these guys like to pop over.
You stupid boy.
Get a haircut. Come over here.
Where are you going? No, big ass reading coming.
Oh.
Who the hell is Musso Hog? You want to get to work,
Griffin
too.
again.
Come here.
So, like,
Shh. Wow, boy. Get these hands. For you, too.
Sleeping on the floor. Oh, I'm always.
There gets Terry.
Where you going, dreadlocks?
Bing, bing, bing.
Ooh. Beep. Let's go, Rumble. And
This guy's always grabbing.
I know, man.
Let's check it out.
When can we knock you out?
Boom.
How come you always got to knock us out for? Because you're cheating.
Oh, what a flag. Boom.
Oh, I really want to hit this spook out. Damn.
I don't know what's up with that guy. They're not strong.
I told you. I'll tell you, the GMT guy.
Damn. How in the world? Run. Come over here.
Drop your boy. What you gonna do about it? Drop your tree. What you gonna do about it?
Oh, this nigga's running on me.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, over here, Paul.
Dang, I use a palmer. Oh, hell.
Getting mobbed by Peter Griffin. Perfect.
Oh, you guys cheated.
Oh my, that's some bold. Damn.
Dang, Griffin and his dreadlock boy over here mobbing me.
I'm against you.
And now they sword fighting with each other.
Bro, can't even kill nobody. Eric is mobbing.
Yeah, regroup. Where are we at?
Oh, we need to regroup. I'm coming to you guys. Griffin and his boy over here. So they can't. Let's go. Regroup. It's the only way we can get those guys because they. Oh, right there. They're all in the cafeteria.
You guys should just find a place to like be, and then just keep
Right here.
going.
Yep, that's cool. Jump for that freaking Griffin. Yeah, he always catch me. Frick. That guy always catch me.
Taking right. First,
See. Okay.
go across the table.
Oh my. Oh, look, both of that.
We're all still here? Or no? Everybody at? It's Griffin. Let's go for a ride now. Let me run away. Go slap him. Go for a ride. He's so bad. Oh, yep.
Oh, what the hell?
Go for a ride.
I'll jump on the game.
Yep.
Are we supposed to be recording this?
Yeah. It's episode. We just got Fossey.
Alright, I joined the game. To invite me back when it's not getting
Oh, that's right there. 48 minutes.